How to create logo in Canva. So first go to Canva and then you just need to click on the search bar here and then just type in logo, search for one. Now from here just need to select one of the templates that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. Just click on it and then just click on customize this template. Okay, now from there you can customize this template to look like what you want your logo to look like. So let's say I want to change this. Let's just say I want to change it from BC. Let's just say I'll change it to US. So you can see instead of blue, I'll just change it into red, something like that, or yellow. And then instead of brand conception here, you can just type in, let's say, brand, whatever you want. Okay, so let's say you're done customizing it. You just need to download it. Just click on share here at the top right, then click on download, and then just click on download again, and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.